There's something about taking a leak off the side of a mountain that just makes you feel alive. You're free to be a kid, explore, and fish all you want. That's pretty much what Stay Lost is. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's go back to the start of the day. We drove 2 hours to our cabin in Cascade, Idaho, right off the lake and great for fishing. On this day, we were hiking to Raft Lake to catch a monster. I started the day off by flicking on the lights at 5 a.m. and pissing my parents off, but it worked. So we got up and got going. You want to?
Welcome to Stay Lost Boys, episode 1.
Don't say boys, just lost.
Oh. Cut! Welcome to Stay Lost.
Just don't.
Alright, are you guys ready?
Like a kitty cat. Do you think if I ask him who's hungry?
Okay, let's go.
He's gonna like it? Who's hungry? Oh, me.
How many days are we staying up here for?
4, so this is a all weekend.
This is a 4-day wilderness survival?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those trees falling.
No, that's not. You'd hear the slam.
Yeah. What do you think it is, babe?
Oh, we made it. Almost. We made it to the peak. We have to go down still.
Alright. How far a hike is it? How far was it?
Yeah, we haven't gone very far. Not far.
Is that it, boys? There it is.
Found the last bit of snow.
Ready?
Go. Oh, you missed!
Alright, this is Skeen Lake. Yeah? This is the first lake. This is the main lake people come to.
Well, I am baiting my hook because we made it to the lake.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping that the fish like worms here. So yeah. I just started fly fishing. I've only done it a couple times, so I have no expectations.
Yeah.
Not the best at it, but I love it. I think it's fun. And I've never fly fished a lake before. Especially
Perfect.
not one with no casting room, so this should be good.
Yeah.
The nice thing about fishing is if you don't catch anything, if you don't catch anything, you're not meant to, and you're meant to process your emotions.
Love that.
So that's why you go fishing. Because have you ever met an old mean guy that fishes? Not up here, you won't.
I love getting ready to go fishing. I like the end of the fishing trip.
Gosh.
Anyways, so I'm not hating on fishermen. I love fishing, active fishing. I love camping and fishing, that kind of thing. But To go sitting on a rock all day and drink beer and fish is...
Who's drinking beer?
or on a
Nobody's
boat
drinking beer.
Isn't my jam. That's all I'm saying. Show me your big fish, Mom.
Yeah, see it?
It's a big fish.
Huge.
Wow.
Where the flyers at? Here, give them
Oh
in the water.
no.
You don't have any. Throw them back in the water for a sec. You guys stop
Yeah,
it. Hey,
damn it.
knock it off. Knock it off. You guys are annoying as shit right now.
I know, right?
Who wants to do this crap?
I love following men that don't know where they're going. I feel safe.
Don't tell anybody.
This whole thing we are walking on it. It's all like rock right here, but
Yeah.
it's too flooded.
There was like a huge rock that went out that you can jump on.
What kind of print is that?
Big one. No, I think it's only 2. That's
Oh my
like a deer or something. Or not deer.
A
like
deer?
An elk or something, yeah.
That's Bigfoot right there, dude.
Yeah. That's a Yeti, bro.
2 things.
Yeah, it stopped when it got to the snow.
Yeah, it's like a big old axe thing from the rip our ass.
Or whatever this was.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
That's a moose.
Those are bear.
That's not a bear.
Those are bear tracks.
Look at that. That is not bear.
No, that's a big bear track.
That's a bear.
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
Yeah, slide, go. Woo!
When do bears come down here?
All right, that's where the boys want to get to. Come fish. Gosh, guys, this is so nice out. I'm glad I wanted to get up early to do this. I'll be giving these boys a hard time because they wanted to leave at 5 this morning. I told them they're crazy, but we got up and left. But they really want to get up here early, so I've been telling them this is a great idea I had to leave early. Make them so mad. Oh. Cover's done. Hey, you're being a trooper, dude.
Yeah, Kirby.
I had to do this twice.
I know. Carver, what are you doing?
I think I got fall.
Oh, it broke as he was crossing?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, no.
but maybe we could still make it.
Anyway, so they're still doing a little fishing. We're gonna grab a little breakfast. I was hoping we'd cook up a fish for breakfast. Anyways, we're trying to take these last moments in because pretty soon we're gonna be on a boat. It's gonna be hot. It's like 55 degrees outside. Dude, careful on that log, bro.
I just think
You gotta take your pants off if you're gonna do that kind of stuff.
It's gonna pee on you.
Probably. The nose moves.
That's my man.
All right.
Don't have to worry about burning down the forest. It's all burned down already.
Yes, fish on, let's go.
Oh, good fish.
Holy cow, look at him go. Oh, he's big.
Oh, what is that?
That's a fishy.
That's a good fish. Oh, I should break the net, Eli.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Go get the net.
Ooh. Wow. Look how big it is.
Ease them on in. Nice and easy.
Oh, he's so pretty.
He's so pretty.
Where's the net?
Big ring. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
That is way bigger than the one I caught before.
Serious?
Oh, yeah.
Oh
That
my
is a great
gosh,
fish.
that's
Oh,
fun. Oh,
Put your other line. Okay.
In the water.
holy cow.
Pull that bad boy out of there. Oh my gosh.
He's just,
Yeah, he is.
Because the line's like
wow.
through. That's weird. He's so fat.
he's so big. Yeah.
Rinse him off. Go rinse him off.
All right. He's
Why
still,
does that take so long to notice? Look.
what? Oh. Starting forest fires.
We gotta take that out. I knew that happened when I threw that out, but I was ready.
Okay. Yeah.
Do we have like a knife to cut him?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, eh? Good job.
Fish.
All right, babe, say, what are you doing
Build the wall.
to block the
fire.
wind?
For the fire.
Yeah, I like it.
Put it in so that we can cook this thing.
Love
doing
it.
like one big, are you just doing like one big log? Dad?
Okay, so now we can take this other stuff and put it here. It'll be our little wall.
What?
Oh
Bugs
my.
in its belly?
Well, that's what they eat, but look at how many though.
Ew.
He is so full.
Ew.
That is the fattest fish ever. Oh my gosh. That is crazy.
Look at all the bugs in his head.
Yeah, that's
No, it's fine.
oh,
Look at all those bugs.
Wow.
Dude.
You think it'll bring more fish over?
Oh yeah, you should do that.
Oh, there's a whole lizard.
What?
Oh,
my
gosh. Dad, his stomach is so
Is that
full.
a salamander?
And he has a salamander too.
Holy, it's
He
like a
literally.
prawn.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm trying to cut open the whole thing, like all his stomach and everything. I'm pulling that out right now,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna like open his whole body up, and then we can lay him over like a stick
I think he
and cut
died.
off his head and tail.
I think he died.
What do you mean?
Thank you, fish. I love you.
I love that.
Thank you for your donation.
Yeah.
Ma, that's about as fresh as you get.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
I like that, you know, we just catch and release, and the only time that we ever keep it is if we are gonna eat it for sure.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
It's been a really long time since I've gutted a fish, so
Yeah.
I'm
Just getting you ready for boat life.
Not very good at it right now, but that's okay.
Well, and you don't have the tools. You usually have knives and stuff. So.
Well, rainbow trout, it's kind of just this.
Just
Like you don't
using
really
your
need
hand?
the tools.
I mean, that's nice.
And then that is underneath. You see the bright orange?
Oh, yeah.
So pretty.
So pretty.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's another salamander.
Stop. Two?
Holy crap.
Oh my gosh, you're right. That is a different one. The other one was dark.
The other one's right there.
Oh.
This guy is chowing, bro.
What Dad says. So we're building a pyramid over the fire, so we can. It's like a funnel at the top. That's
Okay.
where we're gonna put the fish.
chimney.
burn it.
Oh, little chimney burn. Watch out for the fish below you. Don't step on them. So got a nice flat stone.
So we're using this one. And we're just gonna throw this in the water.
You don't grow hair like this and not be a mountain man. You know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
I do. Looks good.
People pay a lot of money to get a hot rock fillet like this,
Mm-hmm.
and we did it for free. So
There we go.
We're just trying to rock. and
I'm
light
not
a
saying
fire.
it's as good, but there's more reward in it.
Trevor, do you feel like you could survive in the wild?
Nope.
No? How long? How many days?
Like 3 or 2.
Oh.
3 or 4.
All right, found a paddle.
Wouldn't usually use a plastic paddle in the hot fire.
This is a
but
massive spatula. Great.
If I go fast,
I'm glad I found it.
Good job, Trevor.
now I should be able to flip it over.
Okay.
Actually. Whoa!
I knew that was gonna
I
happen.
was able to
too.
flip it over.
That's great. It worked.
That's why I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, look at that thing. Flaky fish. Let's go.
Wow, got lucky on that one.
All right, good job.
Go for it, or? Yeah, some.
Salt?
I have salt. I have element packets in that blue bag. I don't know. Let's try it. I say.
Which one?
Look in there.
Oh,
What flavor is it?
it is mango chili. Probably the
Let me
best
see.
one.
Throw it
Mango
over.
chili.
Let me see.
That actually might taste good. Look at that.
Let me see it.
Not sponsored by LMNT. Probably should be
Not
based
yet.
off of how
LMNT,
much we
sponsor us.
drink. Woo!
Based on my purchase history.
Yeah.
We yike your drinks.
Well, I'm gonna try it without first.
Okay.
That's a good fish.
That's a massive. It looks like a salmon. It's so big.
I mean, that's pretty good.
Which part?
Good job, boys. Way to feed the family.
That was good.
All right, can I try it with some element?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Here, give me some. No. I didn't get anything.
Had to wait till the smoke clears out.
For a taste test. Chili habanero. Is that what it's called?
No, mango.
Oh, mango.
It's really good.
Is it really
yeah,
good?
try it.
Really?
Actually.
Oh, I'm sure it is. I love that stuff. Right?
It's actually like really good.
Is it good?
That's pretty
With
good.
the salt?
I'll put a little more.
Okay, E. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It is?
That's pretty good.
Okay.
You gotta do it without first, but that is good.
That's
All right.
without.
That's without.
That's pretty good though, huh? Good fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
much.
Probably too much because element's free.
Just a little bit.
Ooh,
Oh,
okay.
all right,
All
going
right.
big.
All right.
Listen, he's going big, folks. Yeah,
It's good? That's actually funny.
Good, huh?
Decent. I like the fork that you made. You chisel that all down.
A little bit, yeah.
Love it.
You know, beautiful lake, gorgeous lake, the best lake, huge fish, let me tell you, huge, never ending. I'm the only one that catches them. You know, I asked my Uncle Jim, I said, Uncle, are these huge fish? And he said, wow, those are huge fish.
Uncle problem.
Are you growing out a neck beard? Gosh. Do you want to kiss it?
Oh.
You should put a hickey right there, come on, hickey.
After a successful day on the lake with a big catch, we hiked back down.
We made it back.
Yeah.
One word, Cam, to describe your adventure.
Needed. Haven't done anything like this in a long time.
I love that. One word, Eli.
Tiring.
Tiring.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Where's my iPad?
Tiring.
You and Eli. All right, one word, Easton.
Memorable.
Love it.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, make sure to check out my OnlyFans. It drops in 4 years.
Easton.